is Sarah.
Hello.
And this is Heidi. These are two of my best buddies from Summer Project. Summer Project is about over. So it's hard to see them.
Heidi, there aren't any.
Oh, and there's Annie.
So-
Look. That's Annie. She's also here.
Wave, Annie.
Wave.
Oh, you're taking it.
Yeah. That's Annie. Yeah, this is our last day in the building. We're going on the
Oh, is that a
retreat.
webcam? Oh.
It's going on YouTube, Annie. You're gonna be famous. Summer Project was awesome. Sarah, what did you like about Summer Project?
Everything. It rocked. I don't know what. It was real good. It was a real good time.
There is nowhere she's so.
What about you?
Gretchen's my favorite part.
That's it. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna put for now.